We live in a world where a picture is worth 1,000 words. Or, if you're a developer, it's worth a ton of data. Visual information is something humans take for granted. And for computers, the gift of sight with visual recognition and understanding is opening up exciting opportunities, new usages, and advanced capabilities, even at the edge. Now, developers and data scientists can build smart video and vision solutions more easily. It's no longer the domain of a few select experts. The Open Visual Inference and Neural Network Optimization Toolkit, or OpenVINO, helps developers build high-performance computer vision applications with deep learning inference that fuel artificial intelligence from edge to cloud. Easily develop solutions that achieve great performance across Intel processors and accelerators. Use the toolkit to optimize applications for numerous usages: digital surveillance, retail, manufacturing, smart cities, healthcare, office automation, transportation, and much more. Optimizations with the OpenVINO toolkit can increase deep learning workload performance up to 19 times higher using Intel computer vision accelerators compared to public deep learning models. So what tools are inside? The OpenVINO toolkit includes the Intel Deep Learning Deployment Toolkit with a model optimizer and inference engine that help integrate high-performance deep learning inference. Save significant time and resources with the included pre-trained models and code samples. You can also be confident with your deployment, as the OpenVINO toolkit was tested and validated on more than 100 public and custom models. Plus, you'll save time building key application features with computer vision libraries, including optimized OpenCV. A vast assortment of code samples helps you get started. The OpenVINO toolkit also includes other tools and capabilities so you can build new features into your application, gain even greater performance, or even optimize for certain hardware. It's easy to get up to speed with the OpenVINO toolkit. Check out our free webinars, how-tos, quick tips and more at techdecoded.intel.io. Empower your applications with new levels of visual intelligence.